Hello everyone, here's a question from fractions and I got this question from the comment. Raja gave this question like he wants this fraction to be reduced to its lowest form. So we have 84 by 122. How can we reduce it to its lowest form? Lowest form means it's a cancellation. You have to simplify this more. So we have 84 by 122. Now, there are multiple ways of doing it. You can use a common factor, any common factor, or you can use the greatest common factor or the highest HCF of these two numbers, or you can just keep on cancelling it with whatever number you think these both numbers are divisible. At the end, the lowest form will always be correct. So, some may get a more step, some may get less step. It depends on you which number you're taking to cancel these numbers. So, cancellation means division. Now, these two numbers are even numbers. So, even numbers are always divisible by 2. So, I will gonna cancel it. So, you can do this in two ways. You can write this as 84 divided by 2. If you want to show all the steps, 122 divided by 2. So, if I divide 84 by 2, I get 42, right? And 122 divided by 2 will be 61. So this is how we can reduce it. Now this is odd number and this is even number. 61 is I think 61 is a prime number. So if the number is prime number, it is not divisible by any number except 1 or the number itself. So here these two numbers are not divisible furthermore. Therefore, the lowest form will be 42 by 61. So, here I have shown the division step. If you want, you can do the cancellation too. So, if it comes for 1 mark, you can just cancel it. You can directly direct the answer, or you can just show these steps. So, if it is cancellation, it will be 84 divided by 122. You can cancel here itself, like 2 4s are 8, and then next I have 4. 2 2s are 4. Then I have 112. I have 12 here, right? So I have to divide this by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. So that's it. So you got 42, but this is a short way of doing it. Now since 61 is a prime number, it's not divisible by any number. So that's it. We cannot cancel this further. So answer is this. I hope this question is clear. If you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.